Hello, listeners, and welcome back to our channel. I'm the Storyteller. So, I hope that all of you are doing great and all of you are eager to learn something new. That's why today I am here with our new story. Name of the story is Where There Is a Will, There Is a Way. This is a very interesting and motivational story. So before moving towards our story, if you like my voice or like this story, so please do subscribe to our channel. So now let's move towards it. Once there was a very cruel hunter who used to hunt innocent birds and sell them on the market. That was his profession, and that is how he used to earn money to feed himself. The hunter would catch the birds and train them to speak and sing. Then he would take the birds to the market and sell them at a very high price. One day, the hunter caught a parrot in his cage. The parrot was very scared since it was the first time it was trapped somewhere. The parrot couldn't believe how its life turned dark in just a moment. A while ago, it was flying in the sky, and the next moment, it was inside a cage. The hunter brought the parrot home in a cage and started its training. He would give the parrot a chili every time it got a sentence or a song right. The poor parrot had to learn because the hunter would poke it with a stick if it got something wrong. Pretty soon, the parrot had learned to speak and sing just like the hunter. Now, the time came to sell it in the market, and so the hunter set out. The parrot was indeed trapped, but secretly it wanted to be free. It didn't lose hope and started thinking of ways to fly out of the cage. And very soon the chance presented itself in front of the parrot. There was a young man who came looking for a parrot. He came to the hunter and asked, "Do you have a parrot that can sing beautifully? It is my wife's birthday and I want to gift her something nice." The hunter brought the parrot out and asked it to sing. Seeing an opportunity to escape, the parrot sang a very melodious tone and impressed the man. He paid a good price for the parrot and took it home to his wife. When the wife saw her present, she was very happy. The man then asked the parrot to sing, but the parrot remained quiet. Thinking that the parrot was shy, they decided to try again the next day. However, the parrot remained silent the next day as well. A whole week went by and the parrot did nothing. Frustrated with the parrot, the wife decided to throw it away. She opened the cage and the parrot flew out, finally having its freedom back. The end. At last, the moral of the story is that where there is a will, there is a way. I hope that all of you like this story. So please do like, share, subscribe and comment on our channel. Thanks for listening.